What I hated when I started my online business is that I have a multiple companies that has a multiple services and I don't really know what I need. I started to work with those companies. Every company has its own program, its own trainings, its own support team, and its own prices. And they want you to upgrade and pay them more money. When I try to integrate it between those companies and services, I have a headache. I need to pray that something will work and makes things happen. That's why I stopped working with a multiple company services and I started to work with Builderall. What is Builderall? Builderall is a platform that wants you to success and wants you to focus on your strategy and not on your technical issues. They developed a platform that has all the main marketing tools you need in one place. And all those tools are automatically built-in integrated. And you don't need to waste your time to make things happen. This program has one training. You don't need to learn multiple companies and always be updated to what's new. It has one support team. So if you need a support for your mailing list and for your website and for your e-commerce store and all those tools inside this platform, you have a one support team. You don't need to waste your time on integration. And the cool thing is they has a one price program and any new development automatically inside this platform and you not need to pay extra money for the new developments. Amazing, no upgrades, one place with all the tools you need so you can focus on your strategy. Let's see what about. So before I start my overview, a cool feature that Builderall has is a personal overview. Get inside my website online-tycoon.com. I built it with Builderall and you have a button to schedule one-on-one demo. You also have an open 5 days trainings and you can get inside the affiliate program and Builderall has a student plan. You can get inside it in my website online-tycoon.com. So let's start a quick overview of Builderall. Builderall has a dashboard, customized personal dashboard with the tools you are working for the most. You can change the position and let's start with the Canvas Funnel Builder. The Canvas Funnel Builder is a unique funnel builder that you can see and design and create your marketing process, and then you configure the pages and the autoresponder system and the CRM system, and then you publish it and create the website. Once you create the website, you have another tool called Pixel Perfect Builder, and this is the website builder. Here you can see my website online-tycoon.com inside the website builder, and I created it with this builder. I have pop-ups, I have images, videos, hover, animation effects, and so on. You can also see the website on a mobile. And just a minute. And here you customized and published your websites. A new feature that Builderall created. If you want to create your website with WordPress, you can do it on their hosting. You don't need to pay for extra cash for hosting. If you want to create your e-commerce store, you don't need Shopify. You've got it inside Builderall, inside the hosting on Builderall, and you can create an e-commerce store based on Magento. Magento is an open source for e-commerce stores. Here I created my own store in 1 minute. When I open it, admin on open store, this is the dashboard, the regular dashboard of Magento. And this is my shop that I didn't customize, but of course you can design it wherever you want. The next main tools are a built-in CRM system and a built-in autoresponder system. This is the CRM system. You can see that if someone gets inside my website, every page it's got its own tags, and I can send him out in autoresponder system automatically and campaigns. The next cool tools Builderall has, they have application mobile builder, an e-learning site builder, a Facebook chatbot, a site chatbot, and a video funnel creator. They also has more tools. You can put them inside your customized personal dashboard. For example, they have WhatsApp automation, a photo editor, video editor, and so on. This was a really short overview. I really recommend you to get inside my website online-tycoon.com. You have a free and open 5 days training, and click on the schedule one-on-one demo and got a full and advanced overview of the system. I see you there. Thank you very much.